This is Komal Yadav. She's one of the top educators in the NEET UG category. She's a merit holder in class 12. She's also a silver medalist in MSc Botany.
Hi guys, I am really excited for this and let's go.
So, we all react to things differently, right? But our first reaction counts for a lot.
Yes.
How would you react to the following events?
F.
90% of your learners crack NEET.
Wow, मतलब this is a really good percentage. I am really happy. 90% तो sorted है. So what about the rest 10%? 10% बच्चा पार्टी, you don't have to worry at all. Heaven's got a plan for you, child. So fingers crossed, move ahead. You will do amazing things and you are going to change the world in the most unexpected ways. आपने भी नहीं सोचा होगा. You are going to achieve much better things, much bigger things, right? So just move ahead.
You're asked to not touch your phone for a week.
Works. अगर ऑनलाइन नहीं काम कर रहे हो तो चलेगा, नॉट एन इशू. बिकॉज आई वर्क ऑनलाइन, आई यूज माई फोन अ लॉट, बट इफ आई एम नॉट यूजिंग माई फोन एंड आई एम नॉट वर्किंग, सो दैट्स एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. एक इंसान से बात करनी है, इंसान दे दो, फोन ले लो, आई विल बी मोर देन.
A tree gets cut right in front of you.
आउट. नहीं यार, ऑलरेडी बहुत पेड़ कट चुके हैं. इट्स हाई टाइम वी स्टॉप डूइंग दिस. It's high time we start planning things around the nature and including nature with us. We need to learn that. We need to work on more greener architectures and planning. It's high time. We need it. It's the need of the hour. गया वो इंसान. No.
Anushka Sharma comments on your live session.
ये तो नहीं हो रहा है. but अगर हो गया, so welcome to the session. I am Komal Yadav and I'll be teaching you botany. तो पता नहीं चलेगा वैसे, but अगर if it's true, welcome to the session.
I don't know if this has happened to you yet, but someone mistakes you for Steve Pahuja.
Oh, phenotypically very different people. Okay, so but I'll be very happy. I'll be very very happy because she's pretty, she's intelligent, and ma'am के subscriber. So I have no problem. Thank you so much for that. But I don't think so. अगर ऐसा कुछ हुआ है तो I don't think they have seen us actually seen our sessions. क्योंकि नहीं करेगा कोई ऐसी गलती. Right.
Do you remember your first Unacademy session? And what was it like?
It was on a very new channel. We started the channel from scratch. बिल्कुल 0 subscribers थे हमारे पास. It's a hidden gem that we had. So बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बहुत कम बच्चे, one-on-one interaction on YouTube itself. So it was a nice place to learn. It was a bumpy ride. I finally on Unacademy NEET I joined here. So there was something to learn there, now something to learn here, and it's process. So learning.
Tell us 2 truths and 1 lie about you. And we'll let the learners figure out which is which.
Oh,
Cool.
2 truths and 1 lie. Okay. Straight देख के बोलते हैं so that you don't know which one is right. Okay. So, okay. I can eat 1 kg chocolate cake in 1 go. I am married and I exercise 4 to 5 days a week. Easy, eh?
Can you narrate 1 happy incident from your life that makes you smile to this day?
Oh, a lot of them. मतलब रोज होता है कुछ ना कुछ. There are a lot of things every day that are happening. वो hard dedications are very good on Unacademy. पढ़ के it feels good, and especially the moments when a learner comes to you and they say कि मैम बॉटनी बहुत पसंद नहीं था. It was a very boring subject for me, and now I love botany more than zoology. So see what I've done. So those moments are very very precious. A lot of things are there. Family and friends, कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा होता है. But एकदम से एक instance में पूछोगे तो I had a pet and I always go back to that moment. Every moment with my dog. It was just they're so nice. They always put a smile on your face. So they're
You're great at sketching. What is the best piece you ever sketched? Also, has someone sketched you?
Acha. Sketching is more of like pencil work. I do coloring and all those color things. I like that, calligraphy and all. So yes, I've done a lot. मैंने एक दो चीजें फ्रेम में कराई थी, but मम्मी पता नहीं, I really don't know where they are. So that is that. But yes, a student sketched my picture, and that was very overwhelming and very goodly weird, I feel. मतलब you don't have words to express that how much you actually influence somebody. It's not just a sketch. That was a good tribute, and it's very close to my heart. But a lot of things, even this watch that I'm wearing, this was by a student of mine. So it's a profession where you touch people's heart, you change their life. So that is very interesting. So yeah, I mean, yes, a student made a sketch of me, right? And I love it.
One song that's been stuck in your head for a while. You'll also have to sing it for us, okay?
ये ना कराओ मुझसे. You'll regret listening to me sing. That's very bad. नहीं, ये नहीं करते. But we'll find a song that is that's easy. है ना? It's easy to sing. All is well. All is well is good. All is well is good. Yeah, all is well. That's fine. ठीक है. तो इससे ज़्यादा मत गवाना मुझसे. It will be very, very. रात को सो नहीं पाओगे.
Do you believe doctors in our country are not treated right or not respected enough? What's your take on it?
I absolutely feel so. With the incidents, a few incidents that have been in the past and that are going on. I know the efforts a student puts in to get into a medical college. I know the efforts you put in when you are in medical college. So it's a noble profession. And so don't I don't know, maybe it is about the population thing. इस देश की population इतनी है, the least value that we give to someone is a human. I think humans have the least value. We need to work on being a better society. We need to work on being better humans first. मैं वही बोलती हूँ, a lot of students come to my class. I really wish them there's a huge scope in being a good human being. Please work on that. डॉक्टर बनो ना बनो, एक अच्छे इंसान बन जाना बहुत ज़रूरत है. It's not just about doctors. A lot of everybody. I don't know who is not restricted. I really don't know. So I think we need to work on it at a very basic and juvenile level, at a very primary class level, where we need to work on morals. है ना, एक अच्छा इंसान बनाने पे ज़्यादा काम करना पड़ेगा. We need to inculcate habits of respecting each other. So that respect factor has to work, and I know I really hope that it doesn't happen to any of my students or anybody I know, or anybody in fact. This is really bad. Yes, doctors are getting, in some parts of the country, of society, they are facing a lot of negativity, and I really don't. Same halat, same condition that I saw tree cut down. It's the same thing. It's a feeling of discomfort. It's a feeling of anger. It's a feeling of helplessness. You really can't do anything about it on a single individual note. But please try to be a better human, and please try to treat somebody in front of you with respect. This goes for you as well. आप लोग आगे जाके डॉक्टर्स बनोगे, पेशेंट्स को अच्छे से ट्रीट करो, and I hope if we are the patients, we treat you well as well, because you deserve it. You definitely deserve it.
Name one Unacademy educator you idolize the most, and why?
I have not come in contact with many because of the corona situation. But yes, Anand sir helped me a lot in the transition from my previous channel to this channel. And a lot of people have been there, not just educators and some of the background, tech team is also always there. But yes, educator-wise, Anand sir has been a guiding light, and उनका पढ़ाने का तरीका भी है. So he tries to bring new things, new ways of teaching. So I think that's one thing. I know there will be a lot of educators in a lot of categories. बच्चे ज़्यादा अच्छा आंसर कर पाएंगे इस चीज़ को. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Like, subscribe, and share.